We've got a red pen right now. Look, it's red. This is gonna be cool. Okay, we're gonna talk about unknown variables. We're gonna do some unknown variable equations with multiplication and division. So let's say I had the equation 12 divided by n is equal to 4. What is n? We have to figure out what n is. Okay, well, let's think about this. So we have 4. That's the number we got. Let's say we draw down 4 circles. Why is my... Okay. Let's say we draw 4 circles. Okay. And since what we started with was 12, 12 divided by n is equal to 4. This means that each group, there's going to be a certain number of groups, which is n, and each group is going to have 4 circles in it. For example, if I were to divide 6 by 2, that'd be equal to 3. Sorry, because we would have 2 groups. We would divide 6 into 2 groups of 3. So here we have a group of 4. We're going to have a certain number of groups of 4. That's going to the amount of number of groups is going to be equal to n. So what we can do is that we can start at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 with the first group, and then count up until we hit 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8. Their second group, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 12. Now we have 12. That's our third group. So that means that 12 can be evenly divided into 3 groups of 4. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So n has to be equal to 3. Okay, let's say we have an equation 4 times n is equal to 24. Okay, so let's start with 24 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, we have 24 circles. So we know that 4 times n is 24. So we know that 4 added a certain amount of times is equal to 24. And we can find that certain amount of times by subtracting 4. We just go backwards. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be 1 time we subtracted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 times. So we subtracted 4 from 24 6 times, which means that if we were to add 4 to 24 6 times, we should get, if we were to add 4 6 times, we should get 24. 1. Oh, I added this wrong. Oh yeah, which group? This one has 1 too many. This one has 5 instead of 4. But if we did it right, then you'd have 6 groups of 4. You would have added 4 6 times. This makes sense. So 4 times 6, n is equal to 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, let's do one more on division. Okay, let's say we got the number 18. 18. Okay, 18 divided by n is equal to 6. Okay, let's start with our 6. Let's write down 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 circles. So 18 divided by n is equal to 6 circles. Is equal to 6. That means that we should have a certain number of groups, n, that has 6 circles in it. And we can figure out how many groups we should have by adding another 6 circles, another group of 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's another group of 6, and then we just keep going until we hit 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's another group of 6, and that's 18, which means we have 3 groups of 6. And that is 18, which means that 18 divided by n is 6. And we have 3 groups, and each of them have 6 in it, which means that n must be equal to 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6, because we're able to make 3 groups of 6. But, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Red pen! Stay in school.